In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix Messenger's call black screen. So basically, when this problem occurs, the first reason behind this is if your phone's storage is low or your phone's RAM is overly used. So make sure that your phone storage is a bit of free. Like if you have a 10 GB storage, then make sure that 1 GB is free. Otherwise, your Messenger can face this problem because of low storage. Other thing is if your RAM is overly used, so make sure your RAM is not overly used as well. And the other thing is if you do not have an up-to-date messenger. So to check that, go to your Play Store or App Store and go to Messenger, search for Messenger, and then as you guys can see, there's an open button over there, which means my messenger is up to date. If there was an update button instead of open button, that means my messenger is not up to date and I need to update my messenger. So make sure your messenger is up to date and you have free storage on your phone and your RAM is overly not used. And the other thing is if you still have this problem, the other thing you can do is just restart your phone, because like there's sometimes problem with your phone and restarting it would fix it. And if you still have the problem even after restarting the phone, then the other thing is we can do is offload messenger. So now we're going to be offloading messenger. So offloading messenger is basically like deleting and reinstalling messenger, but it's easy this way. So I'm going to hold on the messenger icon over here and this thing pops up. Now I'm going to click on app info, and after I click on app info, it's going to take me to messenger's app info. Now I can click on storage usage, and on storage usage clear data, and click on clear, and this is going to clear all the cache and data stored in messenger. And after that I can go back and go on permissions, and on permission turn on all my permission, and after turning on all my permission it should basically fix my problem. So that's basically